guy lives about 50 meters from where Hope's mom lives. He's just out there cutting trees down and swimming along, having a good old time. Look at that cute little face. Look at that cute little face. Okay, it's a wet, soggy morning, and we are first in line for the ferry. There's Hopi in the van. Okay, right by the where we stopped for the ferry, a whole bunch of chairs and stuff you can sit on right there. There's the pilot boat. Yeah. If you want a great breakfast, that place right there. Good. Meals off first.
Well, Nate and Natalie would be glad to see the bus because they didn't believe me when I told them I rode a bus over to to the band line for school. Yep, they're gonna drop somebody off. That car better pay attention behind the bus. He almost bit the bus. Sports, playing golf. Woohoo!
Sweet.
We never had golf when I was at school. We had cross-country skiing and stuff over.
I don't think golf was invented when you were in school.
Oh, ha ha ha. Poopy head.
That's getting choppy.
And this is the light choppy.
Oh, I know. See the rain in the back in the distance?
Yeah. Like that white poop in the middle.
Says we're moving at 10 miles an hour.
That's cool.
Yep.
I just love the way the trees grow here. All those little white flowers on the ground are wild strawberries. We would come out here to swim, and there's another area on the island that we would come and pick up fossil rocks, and you will see them on the beach. There's Kevin and a little bit running ahead of him. Here's our glorious van. It's free to subscribe, everybody. They do a really good job of maintaining this area too. There where it's a private property, somebody owns that area back there. But up here, we've got picnic tables. 1, 2, looks like 4 that people can use. And then look at that big old beach. Water's receded this past winter. But you can see them fossils, all them dots on them rocks, that's fossils. And in the summer, it's warm here, but not like it is, you know, in the south. But boy, we love it.
The beach is looking very moody, but also beautiful. Look at that. Just like last year, we're the only ones here. Crazy. I know it's slightly overcast. It's not exactly summertime, but it's beautiful. What do you think, though?
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
They keep it well. You know, everyone picks up after themselves, which helps.
Okay, so Hope is going to be making some
Cinnamon rolls
cinnamon rolls
with Pillsbury.
right there in the Omnia oven. Now, our Omnia oven comes in different parts. This is the original one. It's about 3.5, 4 inches deep. And then we bought this one, which is almost twice as deep. So we get 2 silicone inserts, one for making breads and pizzas and whatever. And we got this one, which Hope's going to use to make the cinnamon rolls.
But you can use it to use whatever you want to put in there to make.
Yeah. First thing you got to do, though, is you got to put this ring on.
This one?
Yeah, doing the left one, probably better. Do it, yeah. And then you got to fire up the fire.
Make sure you put the cinnamon side up. Whoop. I'm gonna take that. That's our lid. That was a big one. Where's that 2? That's 2. When I put this lid on here, we're going to make sure it goes all the way up to 350. And right here, the smaller numbers underneath, they'll show 300 to 400, and we want to go up to 350.
Don't touch the bottom part or you'll burn yourself.
I'm not going to touch the bottom part. It's on the burner. I'm setting it down.
Okay. There's what Hope was talking about right there. You can see it starting to rise.
Yep. The top one that's for the European one, isn't it, Kev?
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
So if it didn't say the temperature, I was going to say just do 170.
Yeah.
Once you get close to desired temperature, you just got to adjust it with the flamage knob. So we're about 350. We just turned it down just a little bit. Yeah, once it's up to temperature, it doesn't use a whole bunch of gas. Just got regulated.
I got my handy dandy pot holder. We're about 10 minutes in, and this can cook stuff pretty fast sometimes. Smells great. It's risen up a bit, but it feels a little spongy here on the top. So we're gonna let it stay a couple more minutes. See, cooking in there is pretty much steam cooked. And when I felt it just a few minutes ago, it was really soft and mushy, but now it's firm, like it's all cooked up like a regular bread would be. So I'd say these are done now. So I'm gonna set them aside here. And then they're all done. So I'm taking the lid, I'm just gonna set it in the sink where it can cool off. Put this down. I'm gonna use this to pull them out. So get one. That one got a little tan on the butt, but he's fine. And might have been there just a smidge too long. It's been a while since we used this thing. but with being laid up for a while. In the middle. And that one.
Well, I don't call them overdone. To me, those look good. Those look
And I
really
think you said
good.
you wanted to do these last two icing on them. I'm the only weirdo in the family who doesn't like a ton of this on it.
Weirdo.
The rest of the guys, like I should say, maybe they're the weirdos who like a ton of
Nope,
sugar on it.
you're the weirdo.
And that was even before I was diabetic, but I didn't like a lot of this still on it. Other than if I made sticky buns, they still didn't have it half as much as those diabetic. Save some for later.
Those look good to me, Hope. Those look delicious.
Warm, but they're not hot.
Thank you.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good.
Those are brilliant. Made in the van.
I'm like under, like it said 10 to 13 minutes or 18, and they're done quicker than that.
They are good. Mm-mm-mm. These turned out perfect, babe. They're juicy and just cooked to perfection. Okay, outside in the rain, and those,
It's a Scottish rain. It's
That's-
really light.
that's what Hope made, and they're delicious. She loves the beach.
They're so beautiful.
Zoom in further.
They roam all over the island and they fly. The ones in Detour are caw, and they do over here too. If you get too close.
Okay, babe.
Oh, one's going, the other one's going the other way.
Okay, there's my Hopi. My Hopi.